Welcome back to Automation Arc, where we dive deep into the most innovative vehicles shaping the future of transportation. Today, we're taking a close look at a vehicle that may not get the flashiest headlines but plays a critical role in daily life for millions, the School Bus 2026. From its safety innovations to its modernized design and eco-conscious engineering, the 2026 model of the school bus represents a massive leap forward in utility, comfort, and technology. Let's explore what makes this model a standout in the evolving landscape of educational transportation and why it's worth paying attention to, even if you're not hopping on one every morning. The 2026 school bus has undergone a thoughtful redesign that reflects both the needs of the present and the demands of the future. It begins with a completely re-engineered chassis and frame, which utilizes lightweight aluminum alloys paired with reinforced steel crumple zones to provide both durability and crash protection. This structural combination reduces the overall vehicle weight by nearly 15% compared to previous generations, contributing to better fuel efficiency and enhanced safety in collisions. Unlike the boxy, rigid look of older models, the new body styling integrates slight curves and aerodynamic edges that subtly reduce drag while still maintaining that unmistakable school bus profile. This isn't just about looking modern, those aerodynamic tweaks actually help improve highway fuel efficiency by up to 8%, which might not sound like a lot, but over thousands of miles in a full academic year, it adds up to significant savings for school districts. The most prominent change visible to passengers and operators alike is the reworked front fascia and visibility design. The windshield now stretches wider and deeper into the front curvature, allowing for a more panoramic view. Paired with adaptive LED headlamps and wide-angle side mirrors, this improves the driver's field of vision dramatically, cutting down on blind spots and enhancing situational awareness during pickup and drop-off. The adaptive lighting system also includes low-beam rain sensing modes, which automatically adjust brightness in poor weather, a critical safety feature during early morning or late afternoon routes. Inside the cabin, the upgrades are no less impressive. The driver's command center is now more like a digital cockpit, featuring a full-color 12-inch touchscreen interface that connects directly with route planning software, student attendance systems, vehicle diagnostics, and even two-way communication tools. Real-time GPS integration isn't just for navigation, it also ties into centralized fleet management systems used by school districts, giving dispatchers live insights into the bus's location, speed, estimated arrival times, and any emergency alerts. All of this works together to ensure not only punctuality but a more secure experience for every child on board. The seating arrangement in the School Bus 2026 has also been significantly modernized. Instead of the hard plastic and vinyl-covered bench seats of the past, this new model incorporates ergonomically contoured seatbacks with integrated energy-absorbing foam. These seats are covered with antimicrobial, easy-to-clean fabric that resists stains and inhibits the growth of bacteria, a change that came as a direct response to the lessons learned during the COVID-19 pandemic. Seatbelts are now standard across every row, with three-point harnesses designed to accommodate a range of body types and ages. The interior color palette leans toward calming blues and soft grays, a subtle touch that helps ease the minds of younger passengers and supports a quieter ride. Speaking of the ride, let's talk about performance. The 2026 school bus is available in multiple powertrain configurations to suit different regions and policy goals. The standard model features a hybrid diesel-electric engine that delivers 30% better fuel economy and significantly reduced emissions compared to conventional diesel systems. This hybrid configuration is optimized for stop-and-go traffic, which is ideal for urban and suburban routes. For districts with strong sustainability goals, there's also a fully electric variant that offers a 250-mile range on a single charge, thanks to a high-capacity lithium-ion battery pack strategically positioned under the floor to maximize interior space and stability. Charging times on the electric model are also highly efficient. Using a DC fast charger, the bus can reach an 80% charge in under 90 minutes, making overnight or midday charging entirely practical. Regenerative braking technology captures kinetic energy during deceleration and stores it back in the battery, extending range and reducing wear on the braking system. Additionally, for rural routes requiring longer distances, a CNG compressed natural gas model is also available, offering lower carbon emissions and quieter operation than traditional engines, while maintaining a strong power output suitable for hilly terrain and rugged roads. Safety in the 2026 school bus goes far beyond just stronger materials and better visibility. This model comes standard with a full suite of advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS. These include lane departure warnings, collision avoidance, pedestrian detection, automatic emergency braking, and even a 360-degree bird's-eye camera system to help navigate tight turns and congested school parking lots. One particularly unique safety innovation is the student tracking system. Children wear RFID-enabled ID cards or carry mobile tags that log entry and exit automatically when they step onto or off the bus. This data syncs with school administration software, giving parents and educators real-time knowledge of where each student is at all times. To reduce bullying and ensure a respectful environment, the interior cabin includes multiple high-definition surveillance cameras with live streaming capability and motion-triggered recording. These are encrypted and stored on secure cloud platforms, accessible only to authorized personnel. Combined with advanced sound insulation materials, the quieter cabin also allows better communication between the driver and students, helping to maintain order and calm throughout the journey. One of the unsung advantages of the school bus 2026 lies in its maintenance-friendly engineering. Every key system, from electrical wiring to HVAC units, is modular and easily accessible through clearly labeled panels and diagnostic ports. Predictive maintenance alerts are integrated into the digital control system, notifying operators of potential failures or needed servicing long before a problem arises. This reduces downtime and keeps the fleet running more efficiently, minimizing disruptions to school schedules and improving overall service consistency. Environmentally conscious design extends beyond just propulsion and emissions. The materials used in the bus construction are over 70% recyclable, and the interior components from seat foam to wall panels are manufactured from sustainable sources. Sound-absorbing floor mats are made from recycled rubber tires, and even the insulation within the bus walls is plant-based, offering both thermal and acoustic efficiency. The exterior paint uses a UV reflective formula that reduces interior heat buildup, which helps lower the energy load on the air conditioning system. Let's not forget the unique features that cater to inclusivity. The 2026 model includes a dedicated accessibility ramp at the rear side of the bus, complete with an automatic lift system for wheelchairs. The cabin includes a wide aisle and designated spaces for mobility devices, with secure locking points to ensure safety during transport. There's also an optional sensory-friendly zone equipped with dimmable lighting and noise-reducing partitions for students with autism or sensory processing challenges, providing a supportive environment tailored to individual needs. Beyond the daily school commute, this bus is also adaptable for extracurricular activities and community use. With configurable interior layouts, the bus can be transformed into a mobile classroom, library, or event shuttle. Detachable seats, fold-out tables, and additional power outlets enable the vehicle to serve multiple functions, which is a growing priority for educational institutions looking to maximize the utility of their assets. Driver comfort and ergonomics weren't overlooked either. The operator's seat features 8-way power adjustment with lumbar support, heated and cooled cushion zones, and vibration-reducing suspension. All controls are within arm's reach and voice command enabled, reducing distractions. A biometric ignition system also replaces the traditional key, improving security and simplifying operation for authorized staff. Technologically, the bus is integrated into smart city infrastructure in areas where that capability exists. It can communicate with traffic signals to optimize light changes and reduce idling time, and it shares data with municipal systems to help plan better routes and schedules. For parents, a mobile app connects directly to the bus's internal systems, providing alerts for arrivals, delays, or emergencies, and even live video access in certain districts. Altogether, the School Bus 2026 is more than just a vehicle. It's a mobile innovation platform, a safe haven for students, a data-rich ecosystem for administrators, and a symbol of how far we've come in prioritizing student well-being, sustainability, and technological advancement. What used to be a simple yellow box on wheels has become a smart, responsive, and multifunctional asset that reflects the values and needs of our society today. As we look ahead, this bus offers a glimpse into what transportation for young students can and should look like. Every detail has been engineered with purpose: the materials for health and sustainability, the tech for safety and convenience, and the design for comfort and inclusivity. It proves that even the most routine parts of life, like riding a school bus, can benefit immensely from thoughtful innovation. Whether you're a parent, educator, policymaker, or tech enthusiast, the School Bus 2026 gives us something to celebrate: a smarter, safer, and more connected ride into the future.